My name is Seth Lesson, and today we want to be looking at circle geometry as we continue in our circle geometry. Now, look at it. In the diagram, O is the what? Is the center of the circle. Angle OQR equal to 32 degrees, and angle TPQ equal to what? 15 degrees. Calculate QPR and the angle TQO. Let us begin. I will be analyzing it step by step that we can really understand what is going on here, and we can easily understand. Now let us look at it. Let us look at this angle. We have about a lot of angle here. Now look at this angle. The circle. You have this one go like this. You go here. I have told you when you have a angle that is moved from center of the circle to another center of the circle, and this one have like this. You must know that this is angle O and what? Q from that angle, and what? R. Notice that the angle, because this one starts from the what? Center of the circle and move to the center of this and what? Circumference. This one move from the center and circumference. It means that angle of this place is the same thing. And they have already given us the angle of this place is what? 32 degrees. What is the angle of this place now? They will be equal. Are you getting me now? It now be what? 32. Because the what? The sides are equal. The only this place is the one that will be different. Let us assume that, let me call this one as what? As B. Now, I want to find the B. Angle of the B will now be what? When we are solving it, it will now be what? 32 plus B plus 32 equal to what? 180. This is angle. It will now be, this one is what? Is 64 plus B equal to 180. Now, when you are solving it, it will be very simple as ABC. It will now be B equal to 180 minus 64. Now, this one minus this is what? B equal to what? 116 degree. Is what? 116 what? Degree. Now, notice that. Now, I want to give you another sketch of the angle. Angle again. In this angle, it's still the same thing inside. Look at it. This one, it now have another one like this. This one move to the center of the circle, which is what? This one. Another one now go like this to the edge of the what? And come back again. Now, I want you to know that because this place and this place, they are the same thing. When this place is what? When the what? If this place is what? A. The twice of this one will be what? Will now be 2. 2 of this one will give us this. And they have already given us here. If we want to get if they have already given us here, the half of this one will give us here. And they have already given us here as what? 116, which we have already solved it here. How can we find this one now? Will now be like in this place. What is the angle of this place? They have already given us, which is what? Which is 116. When we want to get this one now, will now be what? Angle A equal to what? You divide this one by 2. Now be 116 divided by what? 2. The answer is what? 58 degree. Notice that. Now, let us look at, they said that you should find, we have got the angle of this place. That's the thing they said you should find. Which is what? QP, this is what? QPR. That's the angle of this place is what? QPR, which is what? 58 degree. Now, we have find that one. Now, after that, they said you should find TQO. TQ and what? O. This angle. You look at it now, because they don't give us anyone. TQO. We are finding this angle. This place like this. How can we find that angle? How can we find that angle? Let us be doing it step by step that we can really understand what is going on here. Is that the first thing that you need to do when you have already looked at this angle, and how can we analyze this angle? How can we look at this angle in a simple way? Look at it. I want to do it in the way that you can really understand what is going on here. Are you getting me now? Now, how can we find this angle? TQO. Before we can find the TQO, They said we should find T. The T, let us draw this angle that we can really understand. Like, go like this, yes or no? Now, we can see this one go like this, which is T. This one go like this, which is what? P. And one come down to this, which is what? R. Now, do you remember this angle? Q. The law. That law that says y and x, when this one plus this, it will give us what? 1a, it will what? X plus y equal to what? 180. Do you remember? And this angle and this angle, when you plus it together, it will give you what? 180. That's it. Now look at it here. I want you to look at it here. This one go like this, go like this, go like this, and go like this. Are you getting me now? What is the angle of this place? All of them is what? They have given us as what? 50 plus what? 50. This one is what? 58. That what? 15 plus what? 58. All of them is what? 70 what? 70 what? 3. Are you getting me now? Now, remember, they said that we should find what? What thing they said we should find? Said we should find TQ. Now, we have never find the TQR, Abby. We have never find the TQR. We are just finding all of them here. From here, like this. Go from here to this section, which is what? We don't know. Let us call it as what? Y, Abby? Are you getting me now? It now be what? Now, we now be what? Who can tell me? We now be what? 73 plus what? Y equal to what? 180. Now the y equal to 180 minus 73. Y equal to what? 107 degree. Now, after you have already known the 107, do you know that I want you to analyze this place? The analyze this place is go like this. I'm talking about this place. Go like this and like this. Which is what? T. This is what? Angle what? T, Q, and what? R. This one, they said we should find, look at it, T, Q, O. They said we should find T, what? From here to here, O. They said we should find this place, like this, to the center of the what? Of the circle. T, Q, what? O. Are you getting me now? Which is what? T, what? Q, what? O. And they have already given us here as what? As what? 32. Are you getting me now? And what is this? Now, leave this one. I'm not talking about this. Because we don't need this one. From here, I can call it what? Let me call this one as what? X. Are you getting me now? What is the total of this? Total of this. From here to here. We have already found it. Which is what? Y. Are you getting me now? Are you getting me now? The total of this is what? Y. And the half they have given us here, it will now be what? X plus what? Plus 36 and 32 equal to what? Equal to what? Y. Because the total of this one, when you add it, you get this. When you add this one, you get what? Y. Are you hearing me now? Look at it. And what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Which is what? It now be x plus 32 equal to what? 107. Are you getting me now? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Now, it now be what? X equal to what? 107 minus 32. The answer is what? Will be what? 75 degree. Now, the angle that they are giving us, the angle of this, which is the angle of TQO, will now be 70 what? 5 degree. Do you understand?
Okay, let's go.
So, we are continuing in our circle geometry. We can see, look at this. In the diagram, PQ equal to QR and PR equal to RS and equal to SR. When we look at this, they are telling us that the what? The P, when we look at the P, the question of the P is equal to what? This P is equal to R and RS and what? SP. All these one, they are the same thing. Now, anytime, let me draw this one outside that you can really understand what is going on. When we have this angle like this, go like this, go like this, and with the angle, and they put something like this, what they mean? It means that this, they are the same thing. What do I call it? They are the same thing. That's equilateral triangle. What do I call it? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all of them, they have the same what? 60 degree. And 60 times 3, 60, when you times all of them together, when you add all of them together, will give you what? 180. Notice that. This place now is what? 60. What is here? 60. Here, 60. Notice that. Now, we have already know that equilateral triangle are what? P, R, S. They are the same thing. Now, they said that we should calculate the size of Q, R, S. We are looking R. The angle of what? Q, R. Q. This is what? Q, R. R. And what? S. We are looking for this place. All of them, to total all of them. Now, when we look at this one very well, it is very easy for us to really understand what is going on here. Now, I want you to understand this in a simple way. Now, as we have already known that this is what? Quadrilateral triangle. Notice that when they give you angle like this angle go like this, and they have the same thing here. It means that if this place is A, what will be here? A. They are the same thing. It means that angle, let me call this place angle A. This one will be what? Angle A. The only thing, the one that will be difference is the on top. A be difference. Now, when we see like this, we can do it in a different dimension, in a different way. How can I do it? It's very simple as ABC. Notice, how can I know that? Look at it. When you put this one here to the center, the angle of this and the angle of this, they are what? Angle from the center to this edge is what? Is what? This one is the straight line. And any angle that is moving from here is radius. This one is what? The same thing as radius. This angle is the same thing with this. It means that if this place is A, what will be here? A. If this place is A, what will be here? A. What did I mean is that this place, look at it. Look at this one. If the angle, this is the thing I mean is that when we have angle like this and this, they are the same thing. If they give us A here, what will be here? A. That's it here. Now, look at this angle. If this place is what? A. If the line of this is the same thing with the line of this. If this angle A, what will be here? A. Are you hearing me now? Now, it means that they are telling us that this and this will now be what? We have twice of this. Yes or no? It will now be what? This one, I can call this one as what? 2 what? 2A. Are you getting me now? And they are saying that we should find the angle of this place. How can one find the angle of this place? It is very, very simple as ABC, as we have already know that. Now, look at this one. Let us find it like this. To this center. Are you getting me now? What is the angle? Can you tell me the angle of this place? This. Can you tell me the angle of, to find the angle, because they are saying that we should find the angle of what? Q, R, S. QRS. Look at it. The angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place. Are you hearing me now? The angle of this place is equal to the angle of this. How can we get A here? Do you remember that angle, the way I told you? The angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place. The angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place. Are you hearing me now? We now be what? 2A equal to what? What? 60 degree. Because the angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place. Are you getting me? The angle of this place is equal to the angle of this place. Do you see now? They are the same thing. Are you hearing me now? Now, we will now be what? A equal to 60 divided by what? 2. A equal to what? 30 degree. The angle of A is what? Angle 30 degree. They are saying that we should find the angle of what? What? Q, R, what? S. Will now be what? Therefore, will now be what? A, they are said you should find the angle of this place. A plus 60, the angle of this place, equal to what? What is our A? Our A is what? 30 plus what? 60. What is the answer? 90 degree. The angle of what? This is what? 90. This place is what? 90. That's the answer.
Okay, let's go.
Now, look at this question. When we are looking at this, I have already gave you something similar that when we have like this, and another one go like this, the angle of this and the angle, if this one is A, this place will be twice of that place. This one will now be what? It will now be what? If this place is what? A. This one will now be what? 2A. It now means that if this place is 10, what can we be here? 20. You twice it. Now, it's the same thing as that one. Now, who can tell me? Now, the angle of this place, who can tell me now? The angle of this place is what? The angle of this place is what? Turn this one by 2.
That is 212.
2 what? 12. Are you getting me now?
Yes.
Now, when you have already know, they said you should find the angle of what? We said we should find the y. Angle on is 360 here. Remember, you go like this, and we have find this y. This one is what? 2, and this one is 2, 1, 2. Angle on the street, what do we call it? Circle is what? It's what? 360. We now be what? 2, 1, 12 plus what? 2y equal to what? 360. Now be what? 2y equal to what? 360 minus 2, 1, 2. 2y equal to what? This one minus this is what? It's what? 148 divided by 2 all over 2. Cancel. Y? 74. That's the answer. Are you getting me?
Okay, let's go.
Let's look at another angle. Look at this angle. Said in the diagram O is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. And angle ABO and angle BOE equal to what? 1, 2, 4. Calculate OED. Now, the first thing that you need to know that I told you several times that when we have like this, and another one is what? Small like this. When this one is A, when this one is, you know, we have big one and we have small one. Small one like this. Now, if this one is 2, if this one is A, this one will be twice because it's big. And if this one is 20, who can tell me this one? 10. Are you getting me now? Now, they give us here. 1, 2, 4. And what will be here? This one divided by 2. It will be what? 6, 60 what? 2. The angle of this place will now be what? It will now be what? Just said like this. BOE equal to twice of BAE. It means that you now divide, you now be what? BAE, the angle of BAE equal to angle of what? BOE divided by what? 2. You divide this one by 2. Will now be what? BAE equal to, divide this one will now be what? 1, 2, 4 all over 2. The answer is what? 62. BAE equal to 62 degree. Are you getting me now? 62 what? Degree. The next one, when you have already know this one, the angle of this one is what? 62 degree. Now they said that we should find the angle OED. OED. This is the angle they said you should find. Now, who can tell me the angle of this place? Down, no analyzing. What is the angle of this place? 30. Because they are the same thing. Now, when you have already know that, no, we cannot now. We cannot assume that this is the angle, this is the 30. We cannot assume that like that is 30. Now, how can we assume it is 30? First of all, and because if I say that it's 30, I don't know whether I will get the answer, but look at it. Let us do this one, analyze this one very well. Now, who can tell me the angle of this place? Or the angle of this place? Angle on the street 360. I can say angle O plus what is here? 1, 2, 4. Look at it. Angle on the street is what? 360 is what? Angle on the what? Circle is what? O, the center plus what? This. Equal to what? Equal to 360. Angle O plus what? Angle O equal to 360 minus 124. Angle O equal to this one minus this is what? What is the answer? Are you getting me now? Angle on the street 60 is the one that I'm doing now. 236. Are you hearing me now? The angle of this place is what? 236. General of the angle now. With the angle of this place, I can call this place as A. It will now be what? The general angle. I'm talking about the angle of this. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. I'm talking about the angle of this. The angle of this. What is the angle of this? It's what? 236, Abi. What is the angle of this? 62. What is the angle of this? 30. What is the angle of this? A. Are you getting me now? Now, let us add all this all inside together. What they call it? Interior angle. We have exterior and interior. This is interior angle. All of them will be now 30 plus 62 plus 22, 36 plus A equal to what? 360. Add all of them for me. What is the answer? Add this 30 plus 62 plus 236. 236. 328 plus A equal to 360. Now be A equal to 360 minus 328. A equal to what? 32. Are you getting me now? Degree. You see, I cannot assume that this one is the same thing with this one. That one is what? 32. Are you getting me now? Now, the angle of this place now is what? 30 what? 2. Angle on the straight line, because they say you should find this place, is like this. Go here like this. And you have another one go like this. This one is what? 30 what? See, 30 what? 32. This one is 30 what? 32. Abi? Yes. They say you should find the angle of this place, which is what? Angle O and E and D. How can we find the angle on a straight line will now be what? I can call this one angle what? Angle E. Now be what? D will now be angle E. This plus 32 equal to 180. It now be angle E equal to 180 minus 32. E equal to, minus it for me. 180 minus 32. 148 degree. That's the answer. The angle of this place is what? 140.
Okay, let's go.
Look at this another one. In the diagram, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral with PR equal to QR. Let us look at it here. PR is the same thing as what? QR. That's why you see this the same symbol. Now, and PST, angle PST, this is what? This angle PST is what? 75. Calculate QRS, QRP. Before you can, when we are solving like this, the thing they said you should calculate, you go and indicate it first. QRP. QRP. Where's QRP? QRP. QRP. Where's the QRP? QRP indicates, you can call it angle A. That's it. It's self-defined. Before, when you have already understand that one, it is easy to go home. Now, look at it. When you see this angle, the angle, notice that this angle, look at it here, is the same thing with the what? This angle. This place will be what? 75. It means that the angle like PQR, when you are writing y, equal to what? PST. And they are, all of them are what? 75 degree. Notice that. You now put it 75 degree. Now, when they look at it, when they give you the length of this, they indicate they are the same thing. This one, the symbol telling us that this and this, they are what? The length of this, they are the same thing. What will now be this place? Do you remember? When this and this are the what? 70. Are you hearing me now? To find this place is very simple as ABC. You just add this plus this plus this. It now be what? A plus 75 plus 75 equal to what? 180. Now the A plus what? This one plus this is what? Is what? 150 equal to 180. A equal to 180 minus 150. Equal to what? A equal to this one minus this is what? 30 degree. That's the answer.
Okay, let's go.
Now, look at this another one. We can see when you look at this. First of all, you must know that when they have the same, they mark it like this, it means that the length are the what? Are the same thing, which they have already given us as PT equal to what? QT. P, that's what? P, PT equal to what? Q what? QT. This and this, they are the same thing. Notice that, it's very, very important. Now, look at it. I've given us that when we have a line, when it is like this, look at it. Please, this, I give you like this. And they give us 70 here. 70. Are you hearing me now? And they mark it like this. What will be here? 70. It means that the angle of, you now said, now, this one will be what? 70. It means that the angle of QPT equal to what? Equal to what? PQ what? T equal to what? 70. This and this, they are the same thing. How can we? The first thing, what is the size of what? PRS. Where's P? This place. R and S. We are looking for this angle. I can call this angle A. to make me understand it. Now, how can I do it now? It is very, very simple as A, B, C. And when you have already know, like this, and this is come from the word center of a circle. Are you getting me now? This is center of a circle. Notice that. It came from the word center of the circle. Any line that came from the center of the circle to the another section, circumference. This one, circumference, it will be what? The same thing. And what is the angle of this? Who can tell me the angle of this place? Can you tell me the angle of that place? Now, you add, let us call this one angle what? B, to find it. Angle like this, it will now be 70 plus what? 70 plus what? B equal to what? 180. It will now be what? 140 plus what? B equal to what? 180. B equal to what? 180 minus 140. B equal to what? 40 degree. The angle of this place is what? Is what? 40. What will be here? When the angle is like this. This one is 40. What will be here?
40.
Are you hearing me now? This one is what? 40. Now, when this place and this place they are equal, what will be here? Hello?
Sir.
Look at the board. This one will be now be what? A. Yes. They are the same thing. A and A. Will now be what? To find A and A will now be what? A plus A plus what? 40 equal to what? 180. It now be 2A plus what? 4O. 40 equal to 180. 2A equal to what? 140 minus what? 180, sorry. 180 minus 40. 2A equal to what? 140. All over 2. All over 2. It now be 7. Answer is what? A equal to what? 70. A equal to what? 70. Are you getting me now? The angle of A here is what? 70. And we now said angle of PRS equal to what? 70 degree. That's the angle.
Okay, let's go.
I wish I know that it's very simple. In the diagram, O is the what? Is the center of the circle. And M2N equal to 80, which is this place. And NMO equal to what? 10. This is this place. Are you getting me now? Which is, and we can see O, this is M, L, and L, N, O is what? Angle 15. This is the angle 15. Calculate the value of x. Here, look at it. Look at this angle. Before you cannot say that this one divided by this, you get this one. No. This one is different. It's beyond the word, the circle. If it is like this, and it joined from here to here, we can then divide this one and get the angle of what? This. Are you getting me now? Now, this one, to find this one, you need to find the angle of this. Now, angle on the 360, I can call this one as what? A. It now be what? A plus what? Plus what? 1 plus what? 80 equal to what? 360. Angle on the what? On the circle. Are you hearing me now? It now be what? A equal to 360 minus 80. A equal to this one minus this is what? This one minus this is what? 2 what? 280 is 280. 280. Now, degree. The angle of this place is now is what? 280 degree. You have know that the angle of that place. Now, let us get this place. It will now be what? To make us understand, it's like this. This one go here, and go here like this. Look at it. What is the angle of this place? Is what? 280. The angle of this place is what? 10. The angle of this place is what? 115. The angle of this place, I don't know. Who can tell me? how the way you can do, you add this plus this plus this plus this inside the angle, that's interior angle. Will now be what? When you add all of them, it will be what? 10 plus 15 plus 280 plus x equal to what? 360. All of them, when you have this shape like this, is what? Is what? 360. Because it's not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, add all of them for me. This one. What is the answer? Add all of them for me. What is the answer? 10 plus 15 plus 305 plus what? X equal to 360. Now, x equal to 360 minus 305. X equal to what? What? 5. That's the answer. The answer of the value of x is what? 5.
Okay, let's go.
This, we can see that now, when you look at this, it's very, very simple as ABC. This is what? This is the same thing with this. Are you getting me now? The angle, you must know that the length of this is the same thing with the length of this. This is what? Angle 90. What do I call it? Angle 90 degree. Now, add all of them together. Very, very simple as ABC. It will now be what? When you add all of them together, it will now be what? It will now be 7. It will now be 2 minus, when you add all of them together, will be what? P and plus R plus Q equal to 180. Now, it will now be what? 2y minus 7 plus 2x minus 8 plus 90 equal to what? 180. Now, take all this one to that side. It will now be 2y plus 2x equal to 180 minus 90. It will now be plus 7 plus what? 8. It will now be, this one is 3. Which one? This one is 3. 3x. This is 3x. 3x. Now, please help me to add this, all of them together. This will now be 2y plus 3x equal to all of them. 180 minus 90. Just said 90 plus 105. Now, we are making x be the subject of the formula. They said that in the diagram, PR is in the what? Diagram and other things like that, and this equal to this and this, which is this. Now, express x in time of what? Y. It means that make x be the subject of the formula. That's what we want to do. We now be what? We are making x be the subject of the formula. Note that the reason why I know it is this one, the length, they have already given me the length of this to the center. This is center O. This, they are the same thing. Means that some of you, we have O and R. OR is the same thing with what? OP. They are the same thing in want. That's why this one is what? 90. Now, when you add this together, you get this plus this equal to 180. What is this? This. What is this? This. What is this? Is what? 90 equal to what? 180. That's what we are solving. And when you are solving all of them, you get it. Now, we are making x with the subject of the formula. Take this one to the other side. 3 will now be what? Will now be what? 3x equal to 105 minus what? 2y. Divide both side by what? 3 all over 3. Cancel. S equal to what? 105 minus 2y all over 3. That's the answer.
Okay, let's go.